How to fix Simplisafe doorbell camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check power and connection. Check the doorbell camera is properly connected to a stable power source. Verify that the power outlet is functioning correctly. Fix 2. Reset the doorbell camera. Loosen the security screw located at the bottom of the doorbell. Once the screw is removed, detach the doorbell from its mounting bracket. Press and release the smaller button on the back of the doorbell. Reattach the doorbell to its mounting bracket and secure it with the security screw. The LED should change to a solid yellow light. Fix 3. Update Firmware and App. Open the Simplisafe app and navigate to Devices. Select your doorbell camera. Go to Settings and choose Firmware Update to check for and install any available updates. Ensure the Simplisafe app is updated to the latest version. Fix 4. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. In the Simplisafe app, check the Wi-Fi signal strength for your doorbell camera. If the signal is weak, consider moving your router closer to the camera or reducing interference from other devices. Fix 5. Contact Simplisafe support. If the issue persists after performing the above steps, reach out to Simplisafe support team for further assistance.